All right, then let's start the discussion. This is your book number 12, test 5, passage number 3, and we are going to discuss how to solve match the heading questions, list of finding from the list of headings, right? Now this is passage number 3. First of all, you should read the instructions. You should spend about 20 minutes on questions 27 to 40, which are based on reading this. और नीचे आए. Reading passage 3 has 6 sections A to F. These are the paragraphs in the next 2 pages. Write the correct number 1 to 8 in boxes 27 to 32 on your answer sheet. 27 to 32. These are the questions. You can see below the list of headings, right? Now, what is the first step to solve match the heading questions? First step is to find out the keywords from the list of the headings, right? And how will we do that? List of headings. First one, courses. Okay, courses that require a high level of commitment. First of all, you're looking at the courses and high level of commitment. Next, a course title with 2 meanings means there will be a discussion of a title and there will be 2 meanings. Next, the equal importance of 2 key issues, right? Next, applying a theory. Theory means a kind, that will be a kind of discussion about something in an unexpected context. Financial benefits. Surprising course, a surprising. Next, different names, different outcomes, possibility, wrong kind of students. Okay? We have just underlined the keywords. Done? Okay, now let's move on to the passage number 1. 27. Question number 27 is to read the section A. Now let's move on to the A. Okay, I would found an institution where any person can find instruction in any subject. That was the founder's motto for Cornell University, and it seems an apt characteristic of the different university also in the USA, where I currently teach philosophy. There is a person who is speaking, right? Telling something about himself. A student can prepare for a career, right? Underline करें जरा इसको. A student can prepare for a career in resort management, engineering, interior design, accounting, music, law, enforcement, you name it. Means every type of course is available. But what would the founders of these 2 institutions have thought of a course called Arson for Profit? Right? 2 institutions. I kid you not. We have it on the books. Any undergraduates who have met the academic requirements can sign up for the course in our program in fire science. Alright, now let's move back to our list of headings. You have only 10 seconds. Read all the list of headings. What do you think will be the answer of this question? And then we discuss which is the correct answer. All right, now let's check it out. First, courses that require a high level of commitment. Have they talked about this thing? No. A course title with two meanings. They haven't discussed about the two meanings. They haven't discussed. They mentioned two institutions, but two will not be the answer. Next, equal importance of two key issues. No. Applying a theory in an unexpected context. They are not applying something. They are not talking about a theory. Financial benefits. No. A surprising course title. Maybe, but I'm not sure because there are still two options left. I have to read all of them. 7. Different names of different outcomes. No, they haven't talked about different things. And even if they talked about different institutions, they haven't talked about different outcomes. You got the point? Last, the possibility of attracting wrong kind of student. They haven't mentioned any kind of such thing. So final answer leads to point number 6, a surprising course title. Right? When they, okay, let's talk about it. But what would the founders of these two institutions have thought of a course called Arson for Profit? I kid you not. Means this is the only thing we have found out from the list of headings. The correct answer will be the 6th one. And it is the correct answer. You have checked that out of 8 headings, only one matches with your paragraph. Any confusion in this question? You can ask. Then we will move to the next question. Yes, sir. Take care, clear everyone? Okay, moving to our next paragraph. Let me check which one is the shortest paragraph here. Paragraph D. Paragraph number D. Shortest paragraph. Let's find out if we can. Is that obvious? I made the suggestion. Right? I made the suggestion which may sound downright crazy in light of the evidence that perhaps marketing is by definition principled. My inspiration for this judgment is the philosopher. Okay? He is saying something and he is saying that this, my observation or my judgment is based on the, this inspiration for this judgment is the philosopher, some philosopher, okay, who discussed that any body of knowledge consists of an end and a means. All right, let's move back to the list of headings. We have read it and we just have observed that he's talking about something and he's also saying that I'm saying this on behalf of some philosopher, right? Okay. When I marked the 6th answer, I will cut that heading, so that you won't waste your time next time reading all the list of headings. Okay? All right. First, courses that require a high level of commitment. Have they talked about this thing? No. Next, course title with two meanings. No. Next, equal importance. No. Applying a theory in an unexpected context. Maybe he's trying to apply something because he's saying on behalf of someone. Okay. Next, financial benefits. No. 6 तो पहले खत्म हो गया. We already found that. Different names for different outcomes. 7. 8. The possibility of attracting the wrong kind of students. The only answer that is familiar or matches with the paragraph is 4th. Right? This is how you find the answers. इसको क्या कहते हैं? Elimination method. Right? You are using elimination method. पहले आप क्या करते थे कि हाँ जी कोई इधर से कीवर्ड्स नहीं फाइंड आउट किए हुए, जाके उधर देखना है और आके कोई भी जो थोड़ी बहुत भी मैच करे. अब देखें, अगर जिस टाइम हमें पता चला था कि इवन 4th ऑप्शन वाज रिजेंबलिंग, स्टिल वी रेड द रिमेनिंग ऑप्शंस ताकि मिस्टेक ना हो. और इवन आफ्टर रीडिंग वी केम टू अ कंक्लूजन कि दिस विल बी द ओनली आंसर. ठीक है वलीद, बिलाल, आर यू गेटिंग द पॉइंट? बिलाल, उस्मान, फवाद, अनीस, क्लियर है? ओके. एक और भी कर लेते हैं. ठीक है, बी देख लेते हैं, बी देखें या कोई और देखें? लास्ट वन, ओके, लेट्स चेक इट आउट। एफ, अनीस थोड़ा ऊंचा रीड करें ना। एफ, it is at this point that action for profit becomes supremely relevant. That course is presum, presumably that course is presumably all about means how to detect and prosecute criminal activity. It is therefore assumed that the end is good in an ethical sense. When I asked 5 science students to articulate the end or purpose of their field, they eventually generalize to something like the safety and welfare of society, which seems right. As we have seen, someone could use the very same knowledge of means to achieve much less noble end, such as personal profit via destructive. Okay, personal profit via destructive, dangerous, reckless activity. But you know, the information after but is important. You got the point? But we would not call that firefighting. We have a separate word for it, arson. Similarly, if you employed the principles of marketing in an unprincipled way, you would not be doing marketing. We have another term for it, fraud. Kant gives the example of a doctor and a prisoner who use the identical knowledge to achieve their divergent ends. We would say that one is practicing medicine, the other murder. Right? Kind of, uh, you say, anomaly. He's discussing two things side by side whose end result is different. Right? Okay, now let's move back to our list of headings. First, courses that require a high level of commitment. No? Second, a course title with two meaning. Yes. He is talking about different things, not about the course title. Last, I have told you to focus on the discussion after the but, right? And after the but, he did not talk about the topic, right? Okay. Third is not the, okay, let's see at the end if it can be the correct answer or not. Fourth, applying a theory, ye to ho gaya. Fifth, financial benefits, no. Seven, different names, different outcomes, maybe. Eight, the possibility of attracting the wrong kind of student. Now we have to select one with, from seventh, and the other one is three. No, sorry, two. A course title with two meanings. A course title with two meanings, or different names for different outcomes. Which one will be correct? Let's check it out once again within 10 seconds. Last 4 lines. Similarly, if you employ principles of marketing in an unprincipled way, you will not be doing marketing. We have another term, means two meanings. Again, doctor and a prisoner mean he is talking about two different things side by side who have different outcomes, different result. So finally, if we see, the answer will be 7 or 2. They haven't talked about the course title. They are talking about different names and then different outcomes. So the correct answer will be the 7th option. Are you getting the point? That is how we solve the list of the headings. Oh, sorry, match the heading questions. Any question? Alian, you got the point?
Yes, sir.
Bilal?
Yes.
Waleed? सारे हमने नहीं किए, बाकी आप खुद अटेम्प्ट करें, लेकिन this is the way how you attempt the questions. You have seen that how clearly you can pick the right list of heading if you read the paragraph carefully. Right? That is how we did it. And after reading the paragraph, why we were we were able to find the correct answer very easily, because we already had marked the keywords of the list of headings. It became easy for us to compare.
Yes.
Done? Okay. End of the lecture for today for this one. To sum up, first step to solve the match the heading question. First step is underlining the keywords in the list of headings. Second, focus on the small paragraphs which will take less time. Read them, find their answer, and cut the heading so that you won't waste your time when you read it again. Third, solve the remaining paragraphs and list of headings according to the same procedure. Done? All right.